You're back now at the Jack Off Hour. This is DJ, Ziddick. On the balls right now, something new by Snoop Doggy Dogg. This one goes out to the ladies from all the guys. Big bow wow wow. Cause we're gonna make a little mystery here tonight. This is DJ Ziddick on the station that slaps you across your face with a fat dick.
When I met you last night, baby, before you opened up your gap, I had respect for your lady, but now I take it all back, 'cause you gave me all your pussy, and you even licked my balls. Leave your number on the cabinet, and I promise, baby, I'll give you a call. Next time I'm feeling kinda horny, you can come on over, and I'll make you call. And if you can't fuck that day, baby, just lay back and open your mouth, 'cause I have never met a girl that I love in the whole wide world. Well, if corrupt gave a fuck about a bitch, I'd always be broke. I never have no motherfucking window to smoke. I get smoked and lonely. Bitch, you can't do me. Do we look like BBD? You hoochie groupie. I have no love for hoes. That's something that I learned in the pound. So how the fuck am I supposed to pay this hoe? Just the latest hoe. I know the pussy's mine. I'ma fuck a couple more times and then I'm screwing. There's nothing else to do with. Pass it to the homie. Now you hit. 'Cause she ain't nothing but a bitch to me. And y'all know that bitches ain't shit to me. I give a fuck. Why don't y'all pay attention? Approach it with a different proposition. I'm corrupt. Oh, you'll never be my only one. Trick ass bitch. Guess who's back in the motherfucking house with a fat dick for your motherfucking man? Hoes recognize, niggas do too, 'cause when bitches get scandalous and pull a voodoo, what you gon' do? You really don't know, so I'd advise you not to trust that hoe. Silly of me to fall in love with a bitch, knowing damn well once you caught up with my grip. Now as the sun rotates and my game grows bigger, how many bitches wanna fuck this nigga named Snoop Doggy? I'm all the above, I'm too swift on my toes to get caught up with you hoes, but see, it ain't no fun if my homies can't get a taste of it, 'cause you know I don't love it. Woo! Hey, now you know, inhale, exhale with my flow. 1 for the money, 2 for the bitches, 3 to get ready, and 4 to hit the switches in my Chevy. 6 for red to be exact, with bitches on my side and bitches on my back. So back up, bitch, because I'm struggling. Just get on your knees and then start juggling these motherfucking nuts in your mouth. It's me, Warren G,